Good morning, welcome back to class. Okay, I want us to do angle of elevation and depression, but before we can go into angle of elevation and depression, we have to get these special trigonometric ratios out of the way, because when we know them, when we understand them, then we can easily do our angles of elevation and depression, finding distance, finding height, and finding elevation. So let's do that. When we come to these trigonometric ratios, there are some special figures of special angles that always reoccur. It is very common and very popular because it's very easy to get. So let's look at it today. When we talk about these things, when we see a right angled triangle, we know that there are three sides of a right angled triangle and each side has a name. The side that is the longest is called the hypotenuse. That is the only one that is constant. Then we have the opposite and the adjacent. Opposite and the adjacent are not constant because it depends on where your angle is facing. So if this is the angle given, the side it is facing becomes the opposite and the one next to it becomes the adjacent. But if we are referring to this angle, the one opposite it then becomes the opposite and the other one becomes the adjacent. But the only one that is constant is the hypotenuse. Now this comes in, knowing the three sides helps us to use the formula SOHCAHTOA. This means that sine is gotten by doing the opposite over hypotenuse, then the cos is gotten by adjacent over hypotenuse, and then the tan is gotten from opposite over adjacent. So we are going to get them all and use it to fill out this common special trigonometric ratio table. Okay, let's start with 30 degrees.